In this video, you're going to learn full technical analysis for BTC, where to open a trade. Also, based on our trades that we took yesterday on Solana, I will show you strategy and approach that you should use during current market condition after that significant pump. Firstly, I remind to you about our previous analysis that we published yesterday. Not yesterday, 2 days ago. I told you about this, that BTC is going to reach this significant area. And here, nearly 21,500, that would be potentially powerful sell zone. And at this moment, pay attention, BTC exactly from that 20,400, 50,100, reached 21,500 as we predicted. And if you like such accuracy, I ask you to push like, subscribe to this channel to be updated in the future. Before I will show to you exactly what to do with BTC, let me show to you real patterns that we use during market condition. At this moment, you can see that whole entire market pumped a lot, and quite often price make a pullback after last bull trap. Example for you like this on Solana. I like to use technical patterns, but into opposite direction, and like this trend line breakout pattern. A lot of traders traded, and yesterday I saw how a lot of people get stopped here, and after that price went down. With our community, we took immediately short trade with tiny stop loss and price, and at this moment we already closed it with 5.36% of profit. To get access to place where I share my trades, below this video there would be this link. Just fill the form and be with us. And the same you should look at this moment on Bitcoin and other coins. What I think at this moment would be the best that we can do with BTC. Firstly, pay attention to this situation. Price of BTC at this moment above this POC, point of control. Point of control, it is a place where biggest volume traded during some trading session. Why is this stuff important for us? Because quite often this volume become important support and resistance. And until price above point of control, do not open any short trades. It is too far. You don't know will price continue rising in this channel or not. What you exactly should do, as I told you, two plans. First one, if price make any re-high with stop loss hunt like it was here, here, or here, you can take scalp short trades, only in that case. Second, what we can do with BTC, if significant volume appears in a footprint of BTC, like this example on AAV yesterday. Massive volume entered AAV yesterday, and price after that pumped by 11%. If something like this happens on BTC and that volume, for example, we can see that buyers bought a lot of coins and price started squeezing up, that will be a signal for continue. If price breaks below POC and significant volume starts selling, that would be a signal for short. In all other cases, better to wait for a clear and beautiful pattern, because current situation isn't the best. Globally, price still in this upward channel, and there could be a lot of traps. If you have some questions at this moment, write in the comments, subscribe to this channel, and watch right now free lesson about this footprint stuff that will help you see where people buy and sell a lot of coins. Thank you for your time. Bye, my friend.